If you haven't already, check out the latest live Hangout I did. Topics included Linux and pizza. Oh man, look at that. All right, this is from makeuseof.com. 5 features Windows should steal from Linux Mint. Linux Mint is good. First up is desktop customization. Yes, it's easier in Linux, but be careful. Too many customizations can break your Linux desktop. And he talks here about the inability to move the Windows panel bar, taskbar. Don't know why Microsoft did that. Do I care? Probably not. All right, next up is Time Shift. System snapshot, similar to Windows Restore. I don't think I've ever used Time Shift. I don't have to. I have so many backups. And the last time I used System Restore in Windows was probably years ago because I don't have too many breakages in Windows lately. All right, next up we'll talk about Software Manager with Flatpak integration. All right, so we have snaps, Flatpaks, app images. I can tell you that app images don't always work, and Flatpaks and snaps packages, man, they take up so much real estate. I had to call my real estate broker to do a survey to see how much space I had left on my computer. It's bad. All right, Driver Manager for hardware support. Installing drivers is a nightmare in Windows. I don't think so. Finally, Warpinator for local file sharing. I don't recall ever using Warpinator to local file share. In fact, I can't think of the last time I've ever done this in Windows. To be honest, I don't know which is easier or more user-friendly as far as this feature goes. You guys can tell me. In the meantime, I'm getting hungry for some more pizza. Total OS is having a party next week, and all of you guys are invited here in town. I wish I could do that. Goodbye.